Hello students, I welcome you all in Who is Heavier Part 2. Students, open your maths textbook page number 116 and let's start. Double her weight. Bharti's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Bharti was born that day. They buy sweets double of Bharti's weight and distribute them among poor people. When Bharti was born, she was 3 kg. Today is Independence Day and Bharti is 5 years old. She is 28 kg now. Now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. Children, here is Bharti. Okay. Bharti was born on Independence Day. So her parents. Her parents decided to celebrate it in different way. They decided to buy sweets double of her weight. Okay. So whatever her weight is, if it is 3 kg, so they will buy 3 plus 3. That means 6 kgs of sweets to distribute among poor people. Okay. So this is the unique way of celebrating birthday. Now she is 5 years old and she is 28 kg now. So we have to find out how much kilogram of sweets her parents will buy to distribute among poor people. So now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. We have to guess her weight. Okay. Here is Bharti's age, Bharti's weight and amount of sweets they will buy. Age means at birth she will be 3 kilogram. Okay, she was 3 kilogram at that time. So 3 plus 3, double of her weight means 2 times her weight. 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6 kilogram. Now when she was 1 year old, her weight was 9 kilogram. Amount of sweet will be 9 plus 9. We have to just double it. Okay, so 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 kilogram. Now when she will be 2 years old, children, here amount of sweet is given 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. That means her weight must be 13 kilogram. Okay, so let's write here 13 kilogram. Now at the age of 3, her weight was 17 kilogram. So double of 17 means 2 times 17 we have to write. So 17 plus 17 is equal to 34 kilogram. Now at 4 years old, here we have to guess. According to my guess, she will be 22 kilogram. Okay. So amount of sweets they will buy is 22 plus 22 is 44 kilogram. Now 5 years old, she will be 28 kg. So amount of sweets they will buy is 2 times 28 plus 28 is 56 kilogram. You can ask your parents how much a 2-year-old or 4-year-old child could weigh, means the weight of 2-year or 4 years old child. You may ask it to your parent and write the answer here. Guess your own weight. You have to guess your own weight and you have to write down here. This 2 you have to do as a homework. Now let's move on to another dish. Yum yum rice. Vandana heard about a new dish on the radio. She wants to try it. Try to making it, isn't it? When she notes down how to make it, she gets confused. This is what she notes. Note down. One is first pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. First of all, she has written this. Now second is boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal. 1 pinch. Okay. Pinch means between two fingers, whatever will be accommodate. Okay. So a pinch of dal. Then half kg red chili powder. Can you imagine half kilogram red chili powder? It will be so spicy, so hot. And 1 bowl of salt. Oh my god. If she will pour 1 bowl of salt, it will be very salty. Nobody can eat. Red chili powder and salt is too much. So nobody will be able to eat. Now put a spoon of rice in khichdi. If she'll put spoon of rice and 2 spoon of water and 1 pinch of dal, who will be able to eat? Only a bird, small a sparrow or something like that. Okay. And then she added 2 peas, 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Can you believe this? Mustard seeds means what? Have you seen this mustard seeds in your kitchen? It is rai, okay? Or you can say sarso, sarso ka dana. So finally add 1 kilogram of onions. Oh my god. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. Now, but Sugato feels there is something very wrong in the amounts of everything. Sugato understood. What Sugato thought? These uh, ingredients, whatever she has taken, was not in proper amount. Okay. So, let's help him match the things with their right amounts. 1 kg of rice, half kg of dal, because they are going to make khichdi. In khichdi, rice and dal's amount is much more. Then peas. So let's get a bowl of peas. Okay. Then water. 8 glasses of water. 2 onions. A spoon of salt. I'll add a pinch of mustard seeds, not more than that, but you can write by your own also. Whatever you at your place your mother is cooking, it's absolutely fine. You can write down it also. So next is chili powder. I prefer eating spicy, so I'll put 2 spoons of red chili powder. You can interchange these last 3 ingredients according to your taste. Okay. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much.